The Sofirn LT1 lantern can go up to 800 lumens. Subukan natin sa dining room namin. Ito yung 5000K cool light at ito naman yung 2700 Kelvin warm light. Nagtry na din ako sa garden namin at impressive talaga yung light niya. Ito yung 5000 Kelvin cool light at 2700 Kelvin warm light. At kahit yung madilim na rooftop, kaya niyang paliwanagin. Just double-click the power button, then hold para ma-change yung light temperature. May iba't ibang light strobe din like candle strobe, bike flasher, party strobe, tactical strobe, at lightning storm. IPX waterproof kaya kahit mabasa ng ulan, walang problema. At may power bank function kaya pwede kang mag-charge ng phone or kahit anong gadget na Type-C. Sulit talaga sa quality at features ng Sofirn LT1. If you want one, just click the link below to order.